Live, and right now I'm going to tell you and show you how the Martini EA is performing live in the markets, and uh, why right now we are talking about this EA over here, and why are we not talking about the other EA as well. I'm gonna just talk about all these things right now because you know the thing is, many people have confusion about Martini EA, like because they think that this is a purely martingale strategy based EA, but that's not true. The thing is, this EA is purely a scalper. It only uses its martingale recovery system very rarely whenever the market gets opposite to the initialized trade, to the initial trade, to the first trade, right? So suppose, for example, if we took a buy in GBP USD and market starts to go opposite, then it will wait for a certain period of time, and after that only it will be activating its martingale recovery mechanism, which is a very rare case because this EA is a scalper and its accuracy is very high. Like, it's, as you can see over here, uh, it's 83.6% accuracy, profitable trades, right? And this is the live monitoring system over here. One is over here, and this is another one. We will talk about it later. So let's first look at the stats over here of this signal. So in this account over here, it was started in end of September, I remember, and in that in those remaining days it made around 10.08%, and after that it performed well in October, like 14.36%, and after that in November it made around 21.53%, and in December it made around 12.15%. So in December I stopped this EA around uh, 20th of December, I think, and yeah, 20th of December I stopped this EA because of the Christmas holidays and New Year was approaching, so there was no volume during those days in the market, so I had to close this particular EA on the particular dates. And I started this EA again in January, and it made around 2.26% right now. So this was a $1,000 account, and it made around 754.57 USD in this account over here, which is a total of 75% return in, like, you can say, 1 2 3, 3.5 months, you can say. It made around 75%, which is a really great thing, I can say, because keeping the account safe and giving a huge return on the same time is something which we see very rarely. So this EA is particularly made up of so many complex uh, code and network system, which combined together creates a very powerful EA like this. So let's look at the second account over here. Okay, so this account was a very small account. This is the initial capital you can use, like $350 to use this EA, and till now it made around $82, like total of 25% return overall. And look over here, the maximum drawdown in this account is just 4.6%, and the profitable trades are 84.4%. Let's look at some other stats over here as well. So the profit factor is 3.3, which is a really great profit factor. If anybody know what profit factor is, then you should be saying that it's a really nice profit factor over here. And on the other hand, recovery factor is also 4.99. uh, let's look at some other things. So in November it made around 5.63%, in December it made around 14.67, and in January it made around 3.32% right now, till now. So it's a really nice thing over here. And look over here, two times made withdrawals in this account as well. So took around $69.05 of withdrawal and made around $82 of profit over here. So what I do is I made $25 in this account, and I just withdraw those dollars, or $40, and I just withdraw those $40. So after that, once I get this whole capital out, my initial deposit out, then I will be leaving this account for compounding, because this account is meant to be used for compounding, and I'm gonna open another account after that. So so this was all about the Martingale EA and its strategy. So just do not get confused with its name, and just go for this EA, guys, because this is a extremely powerful EA, and the price will be only getting higher and higher. So I just wanted to show some stats to all of you, so that you can understand like how this EA works, and how it really performs in the real market. So cheers everybody, have a great day.